Okay, this video is about the rice water experiment. Welcome back and thank you for watching. On this video, I will be showing you how I experiment with rice water. So, I tried this about a month now and see how the rice water works. So let's dive into the video. So before I start, I would like to mention how the rice water is being derived. I've seen and I've heard that it was used by the Yao women, and I also searched and I see that the method they use is quite different from what most people do. They soak their rice for a month, for over a month. They have other methods of how they prepare the rice, but the way I prepare it is the method that I've been seeing around. So that method is 24 hours overnight rice. So now, how to prepare the rice? All you need is a bowl, half cup of rice, and put the rice into the bowl and wash the rice. The reason for washing the rice is just to get the dirt out and other impurity. So then after that, you put the rice into a jar. So once the rice is in the jar and you have added water, a lukewarm water or room temperature water, then you will need something to prevent the rice from the fermenting smell. So all you need is just an orange peel or a lavender or any scent. Then that's it. You cover the rice and let it sit for 24 hours. After 24 hours, take out the rice, take out the orange peel, pour the rice in a bowl, then wash it. I usually break my rice once when I wash it because this moment the rice is softer. I can break it and I also like to get the milky content out of the rice. So then after that, I get a spray bottle and strain the rice into the spray bottle. Once that is done, the rice water is ready for use. So now the next step is for me to apply the rice water in my hair. Sometimes it's good to wash your hair, but not with shampoo and conditioner before you apply the rice water. You could easily just rinse it to get all the maybe the leave-in or the treatment you put in, or you could cold wash it. I sometimes just rinse or cold wash. So then it depends on when I washed my hair. So then I apply it to all of the section of my hair. Once I'm done with that, I cover my hair and wait for 20 minutes. Then after 20 minutes, I rinse the rice water off, shampoo and conditioner my hair. And then after that, I just apply any treatment or my regular leave-in conditioner and I'm done. So this method, I do it twice a week, and then after that, I leave. For me to use the rice water another time, I always keep the rice water in a refrigerator or close to a window, depends on the weather. I let my hair dry and then I cornrow my hair for a week before trying the next rice water. So basically that's it. That's how I got this result. How I was able to grow my hair thicker and longer. This is the rice water after a month. So now I can pack my hair up. So I'm still gonna trim it though, because of this it's not much, it's still like this. See, this is longer, this is longer, this part is longer and this is shorter, but all the same. I see that it works. The rice water works. My hair is more thicker, so the rice water did a pretty good job in reducing the whiteness of my hair. The white is, it's more like it's not as white as it's used to. So I think so. But other than that, this is all I got with the rice water.
I actually love it. My hair is getting, it has more volume. My hair never feel this thick. So yes, I'm loving this. My hair has more volume. The rice water works. And then you can see in the video that all of the process I did. Yes, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and then also look up other videos, my other videos, because there are other videos I have. One is about giveaways, so look it up, and then I'll see you next time. Bye bye.